So on my webpage, I talked about different textures in knitting, and you can see some examples of that in this piece. Top here, you have what's called ribbing, and the ribbing is formed by making columns of knits and purls. So this is a knit, space next to it is a purl, and that gives the garment the ability to stretch and to close up around a part of your body. So around your cuffs, around the tops and bottoms, or socks and gloves and things like that. It keeps it tight to the body, but doesn't take up a lot of bulk. Here you have some knit stitches, and here you have purl stitches. And knit and purl stitches are simply the reverse of each other. So the back of these purl stitches looks like the knit, and the back of the knit stitches looks like a purl. This section is called a cable knit. And the cable knit is formed by moving stitches either to the front or the back of the work and holding them outside of the main work until a point where you put them back on, and that makes these diagonal columns where the stitches appear to move. Put a stitch so that a column comes in front, like in here. You would move the stitches to the front on a cable needle, which is a small curved needle. To move the stitches behind, like here, you would put the stitches on a cable needle and put it behind the work. And what you do is it looks like these are two stitch columns in the cable. You would take two stitches, you would move them to either the front or the back of the work, you would knit two stitches, and then you would put them back on the live needle and knit those stitches that were on the cable needle as if they were regular stitches. And you can see over time, you see that the cables start to move diagonally and they start to intersect each other in interesting ways. And when you do that, you make a really beautiful pattern.